3 ways for developing healthy habits and routines. Developing healthy habits and routines is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle, but it can be challenging to know where to start. In this video, I will share with you 3 effective ways to develop healthy habits and routines that will help you live a happier and healthier life. Step 1. Start small. Starting small is the first step in creating wholesome routines and behaviors. A common error that can be daunting and unsustainable is trying to make too many changes at once. Instead, concentrate on implementing one little adjustment at a time, such as increasing your water intake or taking daily brief walks. After you've developed that habit, you can make another minor adjustment. Step 2. Be consistent. Consistency is the second step in creating wholesome routines and behaviors. When it comes to creating new habits, consistency is essential since it creates a pattern and makes the behavior seem more natural. Try to practice the habit at the same time each day or on the same days each week to be consistent. To assist you stay accountable, you can also use calendars or habit tracking applications. Step 3. Find an accountability partner. The third and final step to developing healthy habits and routines is to find an accountability partner. An accountability partner is someone who can help keep you on track and provide support and encouragement when needed. This can be a friend, family member, or even a coach or therapist. Share your goals with your accountability partner and check in with them regularly to stay motivated and accountable. You may create routines and healthy behaviors that will make you happy and healthier. I appreciate you viewing, and I hope these 3 steps were useful.